Now, for all of you who are coming up on the new 6 weeks, what you're going to have to remember is the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Office 365. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the OneDrive, go to your 2020-2021 folder, and into Tech Apps, you want to make sure that you have a second 6 weeks folder. The other thing you want to do today, because I've changed seats here, you want to do a fresh sync. And that's what you should be doing. Those of you who haven't done one yet, you need to do a sync right here. What it's going to do is open up Microsoft OneDrive. Now, let me explain something. If you go to open up a document, a Word document, then what you need to do the first thing is save it into the second 6 weeks folder. Or you can get in here and open up a new Word document. Now, the thing you're going to use today is going to be, let me pull it up, Tech Apps 2021, second 6 weeks. It's Activity 12 menu. And it has some pretty specific directions. You're going to turn on a new blank Word document and turn on the ruler. First, let's see if that even works in the online form. So we're going to view, and it doesn't have the ruler. So the one thing you want to do right now is open it in the desktop app and open Word. You do have Word on your school computer. You should always be using your school computer. And this is the one thing you need to start using is your school computer. Now I'm going to pull down the menu and I'm going to pin it in place. And I did that by hitting the home thing and the pin was over here. If I want to short top again, I just simply hit that arrow, home, and pin it down. Now, let me go back to the directions. It says open a new blank document and turn on the reader. So what I want to do is I want to go to View, and we are going to turn on the ruler, and you see how the ruler shows up. The next thing we're going to do is turn on the Show and Hide. That's on the Home tab, and this is the Show and Hide. We're going to turn it on. This is the paragraph symbol, and that's what shows up. Now, set spacing to 0 point and line spacing to single. We're going to do that by going into the paragraph dialog box. We're going to set after to 0, and we're going to set the line spacing to single, and we're going to tell it OK. Turn on the caps lock. Easy enough. Type Tootsie's Ice Cream Shop. Now I want you to see the little dots in between there. That is perfectly normal. Now one thing they forgot to tell you is to please make this centered. And then we're going to hit enter twice, and we're going to turn it back to left justify, which is just right up here. And set the following tabs. Left tab aligned to 0.5. The place we find the tabs is also, oh, that was right here. Oh, it was there. Okay. We're going back to the Home tab. We're going to hit the paragraph dialog box, and tabs are right down here. Now, the first one is tab position, And let's make sure of what that said at 0.5, left aligned to 0.5. So we have tab position at 0.5, left aligned, and we tell it OK. And then we have a decimal tab with dot leaders at 6 inches. And then we have tabs at 6.0 decimal with dots. Let's make sure that's right. At 6 inches, that's right, with dot leaders. And is that leaders? Yes, it is. And we're going to tell it OK. Type the remaining text as shown on the figure. Separate each column using the Tab key where shown. Select the title, bold, center, and 20. So we're going to make this bold. It's already centered, and we're going to make it 20. And we're going to end up starting here. Change the font type to 14. So right here is where we're going to make it type 14. We're going to create, vertically center the text on the page. We are also going to I know where that is, I just have to remember where it's at. We'll figure it out in just a second. We could just drop that one. Insert the header name, menu. I don't need that. Carefully proofread, save the document. Okay. Don't worry about how to save the document. You're just going to save it as it is. So we're going to add ice cream here. Enter, tab, and it's going to say cup. And we're going to tab again, and right there it is, $3.35. $3.35. Enter, tab. You see how this is working. Cone. And it jumps back over $4.35. And we're going to do 2 to say smoothies. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to go ahead and finish this, clear down to here. The last thing you're going to do is put this border in. Now, I do want the border in, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to Design, and we're going to put in Page Border over here. What we want is a width of about 1 point, and I don't want art. What I want is a double line. You know what? Triple line is fine, and tell it OK. And we have this real pretty triple line here. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to finish this exercise on your own, doing everything on here, and you will simply turn it into your canvas. That's all there is to it. And that's it.